Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your username on X, alright? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, just go ahead and open up your X app, alright? Now in here, you're going to want to go ahead over to the top left and tap on your profile, okay? Just tap on it. Now in here, just tap on profile. Tap on it. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right. Right here, as you can see, we have this edit profile button. Okay. Just tap on it. Now, once it loads, you can go ahead and tap on name or the name text box. Tap on it. Now, go ahead and tap on delete on your keyboard. Okay. Once that's done, go ahead and type in your desired name. Okay. For example, like so. And once done, you can go ahead and add in some bio, location, website, date of birth, or you can go ahead and switch to professional mode. Okay. Now in here, I'm just going to go ahead and tap on save just for you to see. And as you can see here, as easy as that, we just change our username on X. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.